I made a huge mistake early in my legal career when I was questioning a medical expert at trial, and now I ask the doctor on cross-examination, "Doctor, tell us why." Let me share with you why that was the biggest mistake I ever could have made and why I never made it again. Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, it was early in my career, I was trying a case on behalf of an injured victim, and now I'm cross-examining a doctor. And I made the mistake of asking the doctor during cross-examination, "Doctor, why? Tell us why that's your answer." And now what do you think he did? He turned to the jury and he gave him a whole explanation that went on for about 10 minutes of exactly why he was right and our claim was wrong. And as I'm listening to this, I kept trying to interrupt him. "But doctor, that's not what I asked." The defense attorney would then jump up and yell, "Objection, judge, that's exactly what he asked. Let the doctor answer the question." And the judge turned to me and says, "Mr. Oginski, you asked the question." So now he told the doctor to go ahead and answer. And he gave him free rein to go ahead and tell the jury exactly why he was right and we were not. It was a horrible, horrible experience for me. Why? Because I never, ever should have asked the doctor an open-ended question, why? I don't know what I was thinking at that time, but I had learned long ago that you never ask a question to which you don't know the answer, especially on cross-examination. And the moment you ask a question, why, especially an adversarial witness like an expert, a medical expert, a doctor who's coming in against us, now you never give that witness an opportunity to explain. Because what are they going to do? They're going to turn to the jury and go ahead and explain as much as they can about why their argument is right and why ours is totally wrong. And that's a mistake that I learned from big time during the course of that particular trial. And I will tell you, I never, ever made that mistake again. So why do I share this tidbit of information with you? I share it with you because it's critical for you to understand what goes on during cross-examination and why you will find that really good, experienced trial attorneys don't ask opposing adversaries, opposing witnesses to go ahead and say, "Doctor, tell us why." Because you never want to do that unless you clearly don't care about that answer. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter involved an accident or a car accident or even a medical malpractice matter, what I encourage you to do, if you have legal questions, is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.